In today's video, we're gonna learn how to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone. Fixing Bluetooth issues on iPhone involves a series of troubleshooting steps to identify and resolve the problem. If you're going through Bluetooth issues on your iPhone, or if you're having any kind of a trouble with Bluetooth, then here are some of the fixes. The first thing to do is to check for your Bluetooth connection. Go ahead and swipe from the top of the screen and bring up this system page. Now, tap on the Bluetooth icon located right next to the Wi-Fi icon. Make sure that the Bluetooth icon is highlighted in blue to make sure that it is enabled. Once the Bluetooth icon is highlighted, your Bluetooth is now working. If the problem still persists, then you can simply turn off the Bluetooth by tapping on the Bluetooth icon, wait for a couple of seconds, and then turn it back on by tapping it again. This simple step can often resolve minor connectivity issue. Sometimes if the problem still doesn't solve, the next thing to do is to restart your iPhone. Simply go ahead and hold down the power button until the slider appears at the top. Slide the power switch at the top of the screen to turn off your iPhone. Once you are done rebooting, enter your passcode, and once you turn on your iPhone back on, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center and confirm that your Bluetooth icon is highlighted. If the problem still persists, the next step to perform is to update your iOS device. Simply go and tap Open Settings app from your iPhone, and then from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Once you open up the General tab, tap on Software Update. Now, check if your software is up to date. If not, you'll be able to see the download and install button at the bottom. Simply tap on it to make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Since outdated software can cause compatibility issue, so you might be able to fix your issue as soon as you update your iOS. If you're having a trouble connecting to a specific Bluetooth device, then simply go and tap Open Settings, and from the settings menu, tap on Bluetooth. Select the problematic device that you are not being able to connect with and tap on the eye icon right next to it. Now tap on Forget this device. Once you forget the device, try pairing it again and you might be able to fix your issue. Another thing you can do is to ensure that the Bluetooth device you are trying to connect to has enough battery power to establish a connection. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if the Bluetooth service on your iPhone is not working. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.